Honorable Chairman, sir, respected teachers, and my dear friends, a very great morning to all of you.
Very great morning, Shubham.
Myself Shubham, I study in 9th B standard in Sunrise Foundation School. Today I am here to do mastering the concept. My subject is maths and my topic is lines and angles. So friends, firstly, lines. What is lines? A line has no endpoint. A line has indefinite length. Now, ray. A ray has only one endpoint. Now, line segment. A line segment has a definite length and two endpoints. Angles. When the two arms meet a common vertex are called angles. There are two types of angles: complementary angle, supplementary angles. Complementary angles. If the sum of two angles is 90 degree are called complementary angles. Now, supplementary angles. If the sum of two angles is 180 degree are called supplementary angles. Two right angles always supplement to each other. Angles. When angles have a common arc and a common vertex are called adjacent angles. For example, this angle have only one common arc and common vertex. This is called adjacent angles. Now, vertically opposite angles. When the two lines intersect each other and form the intersect of two angles, they called vertically opposite angles. Angles. Interior angles. Angle 4, angle 3, angle 5 and angle 6 are the interior angles. Now, exterior angles. Angle 1 and angle 2 and angle 8 and angle 7 are also exterior angles. Vertically opposite angles. 1 and 3 making the pair of vertically opposite angles. 2 and 4 also make the pair of vertically opposite angles. Angle 5, angle 7 also make vertically opposite angles. Angle 6 and angle 8 also make vertically opposite angles. Now, corresponding angles. Angle 2 and angle 6 making the pair of corresponding angles. Angle 1 and angle 5 also making the pair of corresponding angles. Now, angle 4 and angle 8 making the pair of corresponding angles. Angle 3 and angle 7 are in the pair of corresponding angles. Now, alternate interior angles. Angle 3 and angle 5 making the pair of alternate interior angles. Angle 4, angle 6 making the pair of alternate interior angles. Alternate exterior angles. Angle 1 and angle 7 making the pair of alternate exterior angles. Angle 2 and angle 8 also make the pair of alternate exterior angles. Now we find these 7 angles with the help of type of angles. Now angle 1 and angle 3 making the pair of vertically opposite angles. So this angle is also 120 degree. Now they are making the pair of corresponding angles. Angle 3 and 7 making the pair of corresponding angles. This angle is also 120 degree. Now angle 5 and angle 7 also making the pair of vertically opposite angles. This angle is also 120 degree. Now angle 1 and angle 2 making the pair of linear pair whose sum is always 180 degree. So angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 180 degree. Now angle 1 is 120 degree plus angle 2 180 degree. So angle 2 is 180 minus 120 minus 180. 2 is 60 degree. Now angle 2 is 60 degree. Angle 2 and angle 4 making the pair of vertically opposite angles. So this angle is also 60 degree. Angle 4 and angle 8 also make the corresponding angles. So angle 8 is also 60 degree. Now angle 6 and angle make the pair of vertically opposite angles. Now this angle is also 60 degree. We have to find angle Y and angle X. BOC and AOC making the pair of linear pair. So angle BOC plus angle AOC is equal to 180 degree. Now angle BOC is 130 degree plus angle AOC is equal to 180 degree. Now angle AOC T minus 30 degree. Now angle AOC is 50 degree. Angle Y is 50 degree. Now see, these are making the pair of vertically opposite angles. This full angle is 130 degree and the half of 130 degree is 65. So this angle is 65 degree. This is all from my side. Thank you and have a nice day.